Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we will be cooking up the full rib rack. We're gonna serve it with some grilled cabbage and foie gras. The first thing that we're gonna do is light up the grill. We wanna light 2 chimney starter filled with charcoal and then dump them in the grill. Now we have a good ember bed, so it's time to add wood and get a good fire going. The grill is now heating up, so next it's time to prepare the Iberico pork. We want to grill these as individual chops to maximize the flavor, so slice them into 4 separate rib chops. Then we're going to season with a salt, pepper, garlic rub. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. Then we want to set these aside. We're going to slice a Napa cabbage into thin slices. We're going to put this in a bowl, drizzle with olive oil, and then season with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. And we want to toss this around. We also want to score a couple of slices of foie gras and season with a Texas Boost as well. All the ingredients are now prepared, so let's start grilling. Now we're going to oil the plancha with a little bit of olive oil, and then it's time to start grilling the Napa cabbage slices. Now we want to grill these until they are softening up and starting to turn brown. Then we're going to add a stick of butter to it and keep tossing. The butter is just going to add amazing flavor to the cabbage. Now we can add the Iberico rib chops. We want to grill these and flip them frequently until they reach an inner temperature of about 145 degrees. Now we want to saute the cabbage with a 1/4 cup of Pedro Jimenez cherry vinegar. And we also want to saute it with 1/3 cup of red wine. Now it's time to remove both the rib chops and the cabbage from the grill. And the last thing that we want to do is quickly sear the foie gras. Only cook it for a minute on each side. Then remove it from the grill. We're going to slice the rib chops into thin slices and place on a plate. We can also add one of the bones for decoration. Next, we want to place the cabbage, and we want to top the cabbage with some micro Asian greens. Last but not least, we're going to place the foie gras on top of the pork, and then this dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled Iberico rib rack from Campo Grande with some grilled cabbage and foie gras. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And it smells pretty amazing, so here we go. Oh yeah, so good. The Iberico and the foie gras pairs perfectly, and then the cabbage with a little bit of that tartness from the cherry vinegar. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling. Iberico pork, the best pork that you will ever have in your life.